Welcome to Ninh Binh, a hidden gem in the northern Vietnam that is often called the Halong Bay on land. The beautiful province is home to some of the most stunning natural scenery and cultural landmarks in Vietnam. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 of the must-visit places in Ninh Binh: the Bai Dinh Pagoda, Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex, and the Mua Caves.
So hi everyone, good morning from Ninh Binh. So today we are going to Bai Dinh Pagoda, then we have a boat ride in Trang An, and then we'll go to the Mua Cave. It took us around 2 hours to reach from Hanoi to Ninh Binh Pagoda. And yes, so hoping to get some really beautiful videos for you guys, and also some really nice interesting history and stories behind the Bai Dinh Pagoda. So I'll be right back. Till then, watch the view of the Bai Dinh Pagoda.
Our first stop is the Bai Dinh Pagoda, the largest pagoda complex in Vietnam and one of the largest in Asia as well. Located on the foothills of Dinh Mountain, the complex covers an area of more than 500 hectares and is home to several temples and shrines. The most impressive of them all is the Phak Chu Pagoda, a 13-story tall temple that houses a 100-ton bronze Buddha statue. You can climb up to the top of the pagoda for a panoramic view of the surrounding mountains and the countryside.
What magnificent views I got from the top of the tower. But if you're planning to come here, ensure you have at least 2 hours in hand to enjoy this tower itself, the views, if you want to have a peaceful time. For this entire Bai Dinh Pagoda, you'll require at least 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, if you really want to know the history and visit all the pagodas here. But I'm a little short on time today. Never mind, I have covered most of the interesting places in Bai Dinh Pagoda for you. From here we'll be heading to Trang An, and yeah, I'll show you some glimpses.
Next stop is the Trang An Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is known for its breathtaking scenery of limestone mountains, rice fields and rivers. You can take a boat tour that will take you through a network of caves and grottos, offering you an amazing experience. Remember to take the Route 2 boat ride, which has great mix of caves and pagodas. The boat ride lasts for about 2 hours and passes through caves and temples, including the famous Kong Skull Island Temple. Last but not the least are the Mua Caves, a popular destination that offers a spectacular view of the Tam Kok Valley from the top of the mountain.
We are going to the Mua Cave, and it's a 500 steps climb. We will not go to the Dragon Point, but what we are going to do is that we are going to a viewpoint. From there we can see the entire view of Ninh Binh. So yeah, it's a long climb now, some 500 steps. See you on the other side pretty soon. If you don't have strong knees, don't dare to climb up the stairs, and fitness level that you require is pretty high. So guys, this happens when you climb some 250 steps. So once you climb, you will find a point here, which goes one to the right, one to the left. So the left one is a better viewpoint. You get to see something, but the climb is also steep. So you're already half dead, and I'm sure we'll be dead by the time we'll reach up. But don't worry, we'll keep on bringing you some really nice videos and some good photographs from the top. So till then, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and yeah, check my Instagram for more videos. So we'll be back once we climb up. See ya.
Once at the top, you can take in the stunning view of the surrounding mountains and the rice fields. The Mua Caves are especially beautiful during the sunset when the sky is painted in hues of pink and orange. Ninh Binh is a destination that is often overlooked by tourists, but it offers an unique experience that cannot be found anywhere else in Vietnam. Thank you for watching this video on Ninh Binh. We hope it has inspired you to plan your next adventure to this amazing destination. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel content. And yes, more coming from Vietnam. Until next time, happy travels.